What's up guys, my name is Tom. Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to change the HID bulbs in the 4th generation of Mitsubishi Pajero or Montero or Shogun, depending on your market. So let's dive right into it. Let's start off with popping up the hood. The Pajero uses D2S bulbs in its HID headlights, so you're gonna need a pair of two new D2S bulbs. I advise you to change both bulbs at the same time, because otherwise they're gonna have a different color, different brightness, etc. So I'm gonna use these Osram Cool Blue, which have a nice LED-like white, cold white color. Alright, so to get into the headlights, right here behind the headlight there's this white cover. You can see that over here on the right side there's a little bit more space, so I'm gonna show you how to do it. So you see this white cover, you twist anti-clockwise to release it. So let's do that first. It takes a little bit of force, especially if you haven't done it in a longer time. Okay, once you twist it and it unlocks, you have to pop it out like so. Alright, so let's put it over here on the engine. Now this silver thing is the socket of the bulb, and you just have to take it and you have to twist it anti-clockwise again to release it from the back of the bulb. Now here, if I put the camera down, you can see the bulb. Now you're gonna pinch those two metal tabs together and take the metal securing the bulb up. You have to take it out from behind those little pins so the bulb can go freely out. Alright, once you release the metal, you pull it up and the bulb is free to go. You take out the bulb. This is how it looks like. And now I'm gonna replace it with the new bulb again. So alright, so this is the new bulb again. Let's take it out of the packaging. Alright, so it's secured in this plastic package right here. You just pop open the plastic package. Alright, be careful with the bulb. And here on the top of the bulb you see this notch. This notch goes up facing the hood of the car, and you can see the place for the notch on the top. So this is where the bulb will go. Again, you take it and you carefully put it inside its place. And once you hold it in place, you still have to hold it from the back to make sure it stays in, and then pull those two metal tabs behind the bulb again. Okay, so this is how the bulb looks in its place again. Let's take the silver socket, put it on the bulb and twist it clockwise to secure and lock it on the bulb. Alright, you can see, you can feel it click a little bit. Let's test if the right headlight works. Alright, so you can now clearly see behind the fence, or if you look at the car, that the bulb works. Very nice. To finish it, let's take this white cover. Again, here you can see open and lock. So twist anti-clockwise to open, clockwise to lock. So you can see these 4 tabs and the 4 holes right here and right there. So just find the 4 holes with these tabs, and once you find them you just press on the cover to click or to push it in, and then lock by twisting clockwise, and you're done. Alright, so I just found the position. I just twist it like this. Alright, and it's done. The car is secured and the whole operation is over. Alright, so as you can see on the truck now, both of the bulbs are working fine. If I look at the ground, it seems to be that there's about twice to 4 times the brightness than with the old bulbs before. Plus they were flickering and turning off and on, so it was really time to change them. So I hope this video helped you out and it's gonna make it easier for you to change the bulbs on your Pajero as well. Thank you very much for watching, and now I have to run to hide inside from this snow since I'm completely covered just from the couple of minutes that it took me to make this video. So if you like this video, please give it a like, make sure to subscribe for more videos regarding cars and stuff, and see you in the next one. We're finished.